Hello and welcome to Digital Medboard. Here we go. When amino acids undergo catabolism, they give rise to various metabolic intermediates. Based on the nature of these carbon skeleton intermediates, amino acids can be classified into three categories. Number 1, purely ketogenic. Number 2, purely glucogenic. Number 3, both ketogenic and glucogenic. At first, purely ketogenic amino acids. Only two amino acids fall under this category, leucine and lysine. These amino acids are exclusively broken down into ketone body precursors. Example, acetyl-CoA or acetoacetate. Next, both ketogenic and glucogenic amino acids. Some amino acids can be catabolized into both glucose and ketone bodies. These include aromatic amino acids, phenylalanine, tyrosine, and tryptophan. Branched chain amino acid, isoleucine. These four amino acids are both ketogenic and glucogenic. Next, purely glucogenic amino acids. It can be pyruvate or TCA cycle intermediates. All other amino acids, excluding the 6 listed, are considered purely glucogenic. These do not give rise to ketone body precursors like acetyl-CoA. We got a question. All of the following on catabolism give rise to acetyl-CoA, except this question is indirectly asking about ketogenic amino acid, which produce acetyl-CoA as an intermediate during catabolism. Based on our discussion, histidine does not give rise to acetyl-CoA because it is purely glucogenic amino acid. Therefore, option C is the correct answer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Digital Medboard. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Choose